Twitter has held a prominent position in the realm of social media for over a decade. However, the question arises, is it prepared to meet Europe's latest big tech regulations? These regulations have been established to enforce specific privacy and security standards for tech giants. The crucial concern is whether Twitter abides by these regulations. One of the primary issues revolves around data protection. The new regulations mandate that companies collect only essential data and maintain transparency regarding its usage. Twitter, on the other hand, has a track record of accumulating substantial user data, including location data and device information. It remains uncertain whether Twitter complies with the requirements outlined in the new regulations. Another concern pertains to the utilization of algorithms for targeted advertising. The objective of the new regulations is to prevent companies from creating a filter bubble, wherein users are exposed solely to ads and content that align with their pre-existing beliefs. Twitter's algorithm has faced allegations of exacerbating this issue. Furthermore, the regulations necessitate companies to promptly and effectively address hate speech. Although Twitter has implemented various modifications to its reporting systems, critics argue that it falls short in preventing the spread of hate speech. It is evident that Twitter must undertake substantial efforts to ensure its compliance with Europe's new big tech regulations. Whether the platform will make the requisite changes remains uncertain. We appreciate your viewership. Please consider subscribing to our channel for more content.